Hello again. This is recipe with spruce tips. It's a spruce tip dessert. Very easy, very fast, and actually raw spruce tip dessert. I'm drinking spruce tip cold infusion with 1 piece of lemon. At the same time, I had spruce tips, fresh spruce tips, infused in cold water the whole night, and it's really nice lemony taste. You're getting essential oils from these spruce tips and all great benefits. Very nice smell. It's like drinking forest. You can drink spruce tips or pine needles, whatever you wish, but spruce tips are my favorite. Cheers. Now, so spruce tip dessert. All you need is some nuts. That you have to soak during the night or for a couple of hours to activate them to increase benefits. So I infused, or I soaked in water, some cashew nuts. I'm not measuring anything. I will be just putting it in the food processor. So there are some cashew nuts here. Plus I will add some spruce tips in it. Then some lemon juice. So spruce tips. I have spruce tips ready here. You can see them. They're already here. They are washed. That's all what you need to do with spruce tips. So cashew nuts, some spruce tips. Let's do a handful of spruce tips along with the cashew nuts, or with your almonds or walnuts, and any kind of nuts that you have available. Try to use the smallest one. And then we need just some water, pure water. We have water ready here. Then something sweet, so hint of honey and probably lemon juice. Normally I would use lemon juice, but since spruce tips are very lemony, there might not be any need for lemon juice. I will see now shortly. I will give it a stir. I will blend it and I will tell you if we need some lemon juice or no. Okay, now bear with me because I will be blending it. So try to blend it smoothly till this texture. Now I will taste it if it's lemony enough. That's nice. Such a great taste. I will need a little bit of lemon juice, but slightly, just a little bit. I think that'll do. It will be very easy and very fast dessert. So you will actually need some fruits. I have wild cherries, frozen wild cherries in May. I just took them out from the freezer and I sprinkled with cinnamon and probably a little bit of honey. That's all. And then I will cover it with this mousse, or with this, how will I call it? With this sweet sauce. So let's give it a try. That's very nice. See, the texture is a little bit like cottage cheese, and it's very thick. Very nice. That's it. All you need is nuts, little bit of honey, lemon juice, spruce tips, or use any kind of evergreen that you have, and it's edible, of course. Now I have cherries ready here. I will pour over with honey. You can use sugar. I'm avoiding sugar. I'm using honey. So you can use blueberries, cherries, apricots, peaches, whatever you have available, but I don't have any fresh fruit available except apple. So I'm using my frozen wild cherries from my last harvest. Now I need something to display it in. So what I do is some cherries first in my dessert. Cherries sprinkled with cinnamon and with honey. That's all. You see, lovely wild cherries. I can see it was worth it of a harvest or hunt for wild cherries. And I will just pour over with this spruce tip nut texture. Spruce tip cashew nut deliciousness. Okay, now I would probably sprinkle it with cinnamon. 1-2 cherries on the top, little bit of cinnamon, just slightly, and dessert is ready. It took me 6 minutes with my talk and explanation, and you can see dessert is ready, so you can start serving it. Little touch of the nature spruce tip, and let's try it and I'll tell you what is it like. Normally what I do is like a vegan options for desserts. I usually blend any kind of nuts that were activated with a little bit of honey, lemon juice, and then I add whatever I want, something fermented, something sweet, something salty, you know, it all depends on the final dessert. But this dessert is actually spruce tip dessert. That's how I would call it, because it's full of spruce tips. They are fresh in this dessert, they are delicious, and you can serve it like a spruce tip dessert. It's very refreshing. The taste of spruce tips are like forest eat. It's like forest deliciousness. So spruce tips with cherry and nuts. Very nice. I want to eat more now. Very nice. It's so easy to make. Okay, I won't be tempting you, but this is spruce tip dessert, and as you've noticed, it's very easy to make. All you need is just spruce tips, fresh spruce tips, some nuts, because it's vegan spruce tip dessert, some nuts, hint of lemon juice and honey. That's it. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, you can please share it or like it or leave some comment, and cheers. Bye.